Today we're going to get into the world of sweetness you might crave at any moment. Yes, it's none other than candy, the most accessible and a quick turnaround for a little sweet treat. Cravings here, these bunch of renowned robotic machines are expertly releasing the smooth candy paste, which is going to get through a lot of kneading and other processes which you probably do not. No, after achieving perfect smoothness, each candy mixture is gently rolled up with strong robotic rolling pins to constantly knead them for a perfect texture towards one of those buttery, sweet lanes. Here comes our honey-flavored candy mixture. You can see it has a bit of a runny texture for now, but with constant kneading, it's going to become the hard candy you love to. You may notice the mixture's Y is changing from runny to a little bit sticky and chewy. Now it's the magic of kneading. Following that, they are delicately buffed with a rolling spinner to achieve flawless smoothness, ensuring they melt away with every mouthful. And not forgetting those modern machines, which helped a lot in speeding up this tiresome task without involving any manual help. Plus, from kneading to thinning and shaping the candies into perfectly equal shapes, it's purely amazing. This advanced machinery ensures that the candies become incredibly smooth, melting in your mouth instantly and offering an irresistibly delightful taste. Just as every flavor offers its unique delight, much like how each individual's mind is distinct, so too are our preferences and tastes. That's why, observing human diversity, these candies are crafted in a variety of flavors. Previously, humans would mix candy mixtures by hand and affix them to walls with a sturdy nail. It was a laborious and exhausting task. You might have watched such reels on social media declaring their old candy making. Methods look at the changing color of these candies from bright red to a pinkish glow. They are all set to get packed and enjoyed by all of us. Once all of the 4 candies are ready to get their cloaks on, all of them are sent towards the multi-packing station where a specific batch of the mixed candies will be packed and sealed, ensuring you and your kids get to enjoy all the 4 flavors. Following the era of hard crackling candies, we now have beloved chocolate and soft candies made from cocoa powder and milk. The chocolate is refined to a silky, smooth texture with no lumps. This mixture is molded into full bars and then kneaded constantly while getting different beautiful patterns from the specially designed rolling pins. Just hit the like button for this amazing automation. As soon as the candies are cut, they are immediately packed into the small wrappers. Ain't you motivated enough to get one of these? Automation, as soon as the candies are cut, they are immediately packed into the small wrappers. Ain't you motivated enough to get one of these? Here, you get to watch the gummies made straight from the fresh juices. Yes, they involve the fresh juice nectar, so every gummy has its own original flavor, obviously a little bit enhanced by adding sugars. These gummies are as delicious to eat as they are attractive to look at. Special colors are carefully chosen for their packaging to ensure they stand out prominently in every aspect. I would like to make a quick request. If you like our content and want to support us, please subscribe to us and hit that like button so we stand out to create more enthralling videos for you guys. Jelly Belly gummies are made with the same careful attention and high quality that have made the brand famous for its jelly beans. These gummies are packed with strong, real flavors that taste like actual fruits and other favorite treats, giving you an amazing taste experience. Made with real fruit nectar and several other sweet ingredients, each bite is delicious, making these gummies a treat that candy lovers everywhere enjoy. Jelly beans are also loved for their unique texture. They have a slightly hard outer layer, but when you bite into them, there's a burst of sweetness inside, making your mouth full of realistic flavors. While the rest of the beans are made with different other sorts of techniques, like running the colorless beans inside the finishing drums and adding the required color at the very spot to achieve the shiny, juicy appearance. Robotic machines are everywhere to speed up the process and help the labor. Whether it's packing any product into the little vibrant packets or the robotic machines handling the bulk and bigger cartons, these marvelous machines are truly helping. Buddies, these mini waffles are renowned for their light, fluffy texture and deep pockets that make them perfect for holding syrup, fresh fruits and creamy whipped delights. With a batter leavened by yeast, they boast a crisp exterior and a soft, airy interior that melts in your mouth. Whether enjoyed as a luxurious breakfast treat or a delightful dessert, these Belgian waffles offer a mouth-watering experience. Just look at their texture. It's perfectly smooth. On busy and lazy days, when frozen, pizza can work its magic and satisfy your hunger in a snap. What more could you ask for? It all starts with mixing the dough and shaping it into compact balls, but no worries. Machines can handle all that without even needing a helping hand. Now, some signature ingredients are skillfully mixed into the pizza sauce and sprinkled onto the dough. And of course, pizza isn't pizza without cheese, so it's time for the machine to first check the cheese's consistency and then shred it and sprinkle it generously on top. As you have seen, made with real top-notch ingredients, these frozen pizzas are a blessing. Just pop one in the oven and in minutes, you have a hot, delicious pizza ready to eat. Each slice is loaded with gooey cheese, zesty sauce, and toppings that are out of this world. Trust us, you won't be able to stop at just one slice. Humans can't crank out dozens of donut cakes in a minute, but that's where these robotic machines come in. They're set up with preset settings, so they need less manual involvement, or you can say help and make fewer mistakes. Now, a creamy, dreamy layer is infused onto each donut cake, all set to activate those taste buds with every bite, and you're going to crave for more. And what else would matter so much other than this chocy dip on the top? They'll be left untouched shortly to let the chocolate harden just perfectly. And now, it's being packed up without compromising on its quality. Sure, after watching this entire video, you are never going to doubt the commercial-made omelets or even commercially raised hens. Yep, they are being raised in far more cleaner, pure and fully optimized environments, which might be somehow compromised in domestic situations. Anyways, check out this totally automated system which makes sure the eggs laid by chickens are safely transferred to the moving belts, while the upper layer will be still dedicated to their food. Once collected, each egg goes through various stages that used to be labor-intensive and time-consuming. Today, advanced automated systems have made these processes quick and easy. Here's how this robotic machine organizes and transfers eggs seamlessly, guiding them through each step without a crack, setting them up for the next stage with precision. Grace, if you wonder why we are talking about eggs today, I just wanted to tell you guys how important they are for your daily diet. As they are nutrient-rich, providing high-quality protein, essential vitamins, and antioxidants, they support muscle repair, brain and heart health, and weight management. Just accept it. Who likes to prepare breakfast every early morning? If you ask me, I barely recognize myself in that morning. Cuisine, these sleek, flask-shaped bottles are all set to get filled with ketchup. Those clever minds behind the scenes have ensured there's no mess or dribbling. Now, as these incredible machines seal each bottle tightly, see how they do it with precision, ensuring everything stays spotless and clean. Cut. These perfectly applied labels on each bottle typically depict all the core details like the brand information, ingredients, health facts, and some storage guidelines. You're never going to watch the labor doing this monotonous task ever again. They've put it all up on the automation and now prepping the fresh shredded lettuce for delicious burgers. Its crispy leaves can absorb excess juices from the patty and other ingredients, preventing the bun from becoming soggy. Look how beautifully they are going to wash and then dry off the excessive water from the lettuce. This will keep the lettuce crispier for a longer time, or at least till the last bite of your burger. It's cleaned, chopped and dried, now ready to be served. Just a little. Stop to appreciate what I was talking about. Here's going to prepare the most delicious and crazy mustard sauce you may or may not love. But what I heard is no hamburger is that much delicious without the mustard. Sauce, finally, it's your best bet. Just watch this scrumptious assembling of your favorite hamburger and let me know if you've seen this detailed video. Burgers without fries just aren't the full package. Right here, they're being sliced into perfect uniform shapes with some incredible blades that are nothing short of spectacular. After a thorough wash, they're dried with precision air pressure before being neatly packed in equal portions. We've managed to get inside the Sprite factory today, where you will see some marvelous behind-the-scenes action of filling that fancy drink inside the millions of bottles. This sophisticated, circular, automated machine works with precision, filling bottles seamlessly as they move along, ensuring every sip delivers that refreshing taste. This iconic lemon-lime soda is enjoyed in over 190 countries worldwide, solidifying its status as one of the most widely distributed soft drinks globally. If you ask me, I have a very bad habit of finishing off every meal with something sweet. It just makes perfect sense to me, doesn't it? Just imagine you're having these delicious wafers topped with a creamy ice cream layer drizzled with rich chocolate. Sounds heavenly, right? Another creamy ice cream layer cut with precision is placed on top. So who's getting up from their seats to grab something sweet from the freezer right now? It's all sandwiched perfectly with another waffle. These automated machines work tirelessly, doing hours of work in a couple of minutes without breaking a sweat. Well, of course, machines don't get tired.